Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7X and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30 or 50%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to turn off our watch. To turn it off, press and hold the light button. When the menu appears on the screen, select the power off option, then select yes, and wait until the watch turns off. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the light button to turn on the watch, and when the Fenix logo appears on the screen, we need to press and hold the back button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. So let's press and hold the light button to turn on the watch, and now press and hold the back button and keep holding it. And once this menu appears on the screen, select yes to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the ready message on the screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.